the position of the mandible towards the maxilla with a creamy mix of white impression plaster. The plaster is now in processing. Please let me insert the popsicle stick. And popsicle sticks are very appropriate to do this. They are small and handy. Thank you. Two. That's it. And we let the plaster set. Now the plaster's okay. I take this tray, please open the mouth, and I remove all from the patient's mouth. There we are. And make sure that I have everything. I got the 2 keys. I got the face bow for the transfer, and I got the conduit path. That's all I need for the moment from the patient. The central bearing pin and the registration plate. I need another time if I want to make sure the position of the condyles in their fossa by röntgenography in the position we keyed the mandible to the maxilla. Now we are ready to go back to the lab. In the lab I have first to cut away with a sharp knife all undercut areas on the transfer plate, and also the areas where the impression compound may have displaced soft tissue in the patient's mouth. Now the cast should fit well on the transfer plate. As you see, this can be secured with a little wax on both sides. And now we place it back to the face bow and place the whole thing into the articulator. Now, in this situation, the reference rod should be parallel to the lower member of the articulator. This is secured by this clamp here. It's only adjustable in the height and in this direction. The reference rod always stays parallel. The stylus with the graphite pin should point to the axis of the articulator. This is adjusted only by varying the height on the clamp. Can place the 2 styli into the axis. There we are. No strained position, and fix it. Now the cast is mounted with a creamy mix of impression plaster just before you have to soak the base of the cast in water. There we are, the mounting is already done. I can take the face bow away, and I take the transfer plate away, and now I have to mount the upper cast to the lower cast by means of the plaster keys. But here again, before I have to remove all contact areas with soft tissue and also the areas